In this video, we watched the Streamline Smartank 650 being crash tested at Horiba Mira, which is an independent vehicle testing centre. The video has been slowed down, so we are able to scrutinise the effects which the impact has on both the vehicle and the Smartank system at the moment of impact. The vehicle is fitted with a Smartank 650 system, which has been filled with water to its maximum capacity. The vehicle has two rear doors and side sliding door removed to enable full visibility by the high-speed cameras. Counterweights have been fitted to replace the weight of the doors. The vehicle is towed on a rail system at a speed of 30 miles per hour into a solid concrete block, assimilating a head-on collision. The vehicle reaches its maximum speed within 2 seconds and is guided into its obstacle. On impact, we see the rear end of the vehicle lifting only ever so slightly due to the exceptionally low centre of gravity of the flat tank design. The water tank distorts and ruptures at one of the seams, causing the secondary floor to break up. The majority of the kinetic energy is dissipated due to the rupturing of the tank, and, as a result of this, the tank remains securely held within the load area of the vehicle. The anchoring system of the tank remains intact, thus protecting the driver from the load which is being carried. The bulkhead suffers minimal damage due to the secondary floor breaking up. The driver of the vehicle will have sustained no injuries directly relating to the Streamline Smartank 650 system being fitted in the vehicle. Don't compromise on safety or quality. Fit Streamline System Smart Tanks.